Ever wondered how to share a photo on WhatsApp in full resolution or to say in simple words without losing quality? Well, if you have an Android smartphone, then there's a simple way to send photos on WhatsApp without compression. We'll tell you how. But before we go ahead with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the bell icon so you know when we have a new video. Open WhatsApp and go to a recipient's chat. Over there, tap on the attach icon and select Document. Next, on top, select Browse other docs and select the folder from where you want to share the image from. Now select the image and from the next pop-up, tap on Send. This way, the photo will be shared as a document in high resolution without any compression. This method will save you time and in our opinion is faster and convenient than other methods such as sending a mail or via other dedicated apps. So thanks for watching. We hope you found this helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And like always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.